Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I am going to show you how to make an off shoulder pattern. Very easy and simple. Now as you can see, my pattern is on fold and that is all you need, a pattern, and fold it over. Now what I am going to do is I'm going to take a marginal line right here at the top of my pattern, because this pattern, once you fold it over, it is no longer going to be equal. Now here is how to calculate this. You will take your bust circumference divided by 12 plus ½ inch for allowance, and that in total for me is 4.5 inches. And this is what my sleeve armscye is going to be. Some people also call this bicep. Now on this line, I am going to take my armhole circumference divided by 2. And that is what I am going to place right here plus sewing allowance. Now I am going to take the length I want for my sleeve, and for this video I am using my shoulder to wrist measurement, and you can use any measurement you want. Now once you're done taking your sleeve length, you're going to add hemming allowance, and I am using 1 inch for hemming allowance. Now take your wrist circumference divided by 2 plus sewing allowance. Now this is the part a lot of people often tend to get confused. And what is supposed to be on that line is your around the shoulder measurements. And I am going to show you how to take these measurements and how to place it. And once you're done doing this, you're never going to have issues with off shoulder sleeves again. Now this is how you take your round the shoulder measurements. Tape it around your shoulder like this, and as you can see, you take the circumference, and mine is 44 inches. And the next measurement you need is your upper bust circumference, and here is how to take that. And you're going to take the circumference like this, just on top of your bust like this, and you would measure around the circumference, as you can see. And when I measured mine, what I got was 35.5. Now you're going to subtract 44 from 35, that is your round shoulder minus upper bust circumference. And what you get, you're going to add 1 to it for allowance, and in total it is going to be 9.5. Now because your pattern is going to be on fold, you're going to divide this by 2, and once I divided mine, I got 4.5. Now what you're going to do is I am going to take the 4.5 and I'm going to place it just right here on my pattern, and now I would connect my armhole line. Guys, you can see how easy this is. Like, it is so easy, anybody can do this. And now I'm just connecting all the rest of the lines. Now what you can do is you can come here and go down by ½ inch if you want your sleeve to have a little bit of curve, or you can as well leave it as it is. Now on this line, I'm going to fold. On this line, I'm going to fold this sleeve opening, and I'm just going to cut. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, like, what are you waiting for? Subscribe already, and I have interesting tutorials to come. You would love. And now when you open your pattern, you can measure it and you would see that you have 9.5. The previous 9.5 that we divided by 2, you can see that. So guys, do subscribe and like this video, and I will be seeing you in more videos to come. Bye. Love you all.